Hello there, namaste. Hope you're doing good and ready to start this day with me. So, today is my birthday, and that is the reason why I wanted to do grounding meditation today, just to connect with the nature. So, I'll be putting 10 minutes timer, and that's what we're going to do. So, what we're gonna need today is to keep our fingers open like that. Either you can choose to lean forward and keep your palms on the ground in the front, or by your side. That's what I will be doing. And I'll be guiding a little bit. So as always, just try to focus on your breath and keep your eyes closed for 10 minutes. And here we go. Take deep breaths. Deep inhales and deep exhales. Try to hold your breath once you inhale, like this. Once you inhale, hold the breath for 3 Mississippis. When you're ready, let it go. And once you let go, hold it for another 3 Mississippis. Do the same thing. Inhale. Once you get the hang of the 3 Mississippi, the time frame of that, you can do the meditation without the Mississippis, with an idea of how long you have to hold the breath. Or you can go by how your body is telling you to hold. It is very windy today, and I love that. So, thank you, nature, for giving me a beautiful day to come here and connect with you. Thank you for the alignment. Thank you for the love. Try to keep your back straight. Feels like nature is singing. I can hear you. I can feel you. one with the nature. I am one with this wind. I am one with this grass. I am one with this soil. I am one with all the living beings living inside the soil. I choose love and positivity. I choose that to share with it, with the nature. I choose love. I let go. I let go of everything, all the negativity and all the positivity. I dissolve the ego. I surrender to what it is that needs to be. I let go of control. I let go of all emotions. I am not this body, and I am not even this mind. I'm not a form. What I have is enough. Who I am is enough. What I am is enough. What I'll ever be is enough. I am perfect the way I am. As the nature. Nature is perfect as it is. This tree is perfect as it is. This grass is perfect. This air is perfect. This life is perfect. All the mishappenings are perfect. All the challenges are perfect. All the growth is perfect. I speak from a place of fulfillment. I live from a place of fulfillment. I am abundant in more ways than can possibly be measured. I spread love. mind. And become one. My true nature. And that will be all for today's meditation. Thank you so much for being here with me and being a part of this meditation.
Okay, time to pick our card for the day. So for this day we have the never-ending growth experience. It is very easy to get caught up in self-growth. I think you know what I mean. Reading countless books, attending the latest programs and workshops, and so on. Many of us have been there and maybe still are. Many years ago, as I sat in yet another training, I noticed that I was caught up in this seemingly never-ending cycle of more growth in an effort to constantly improve myself. It was then that I called on self-compassion, which reminded us that we are enough in this very moment and that sometimes we need to rest in who we already are rather than participate in another growth experience. I have grown enough for the moment. For practice, I am enough. Take a comfortable seat and close your eyes. Take a few release breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Just notice how the release of your breath in this very moment changes the moment. Then repeat the following words. My breath in this moment is enough. My breath in this moment is enough. My breath in this moment is enough. Allow your body to shift and soften into your seat just a little more and repeat the following words. My body in this moment is enough. My body in this moment is enough. My body in this moment is enough. Place both hands to your heart. Sit quietly and just feel the presence of your hands to your heart, embracing all of you in this very moment, and repeat the following words. I, in this moment, am enough. I, in this moment, am enough. I, in this moment, am enough. And that'll be all for today. Thank you.